Why do we love cars? For some, it's about the speed. Others, the desire to build something unique. Some people use them to express themselves, while there are some that just use them to escape. The automotive community seems like it's dying, but it's not. With so many influencers on pretty much every social media platform building, driving, racing, and just showing off their cars, the industry is as strong as ever. The community is just disconnected. Well, I'm here to try and bring us back together, from every type of build to every type of builder. This is Fastlane Garage. Who are you and what kind of car do you drive?
Hi, my name is Eric Santiago, and this is my 1996 Honda Prelude.
When did your love for cars start?
My love for cars started when I purchased my first car, the 1992 Honda Prelude. This is actually the reason why I purchased this 1996, because it was my very first car. It's what started my love for cars.
What are your goals for the car?
First, I'd like to get it running and driving well. Refresh the suspension, a couple of upgrades, probably fix any leaks in the engine. I'd like to also fix that carbon fiber hood. Probably get some new wheels, maybe some new paint, and then just drive it, upgrade it as time goes by, and really enjoy the car.
What does your family think about your hobby?
Well, to be honest, my dad, basically, he understands my love for cars. When it comes to my mom, she just keeps telling me to stop spending money on vehicles. But está bien.
Is there anyone or anything that inspires you to work on your car?
Besides my one friend that has a YouTube channel, I could say pretty much myself. I mean, just my love for cars. I've purchased so many vehicles, and I've traded vehicles, switched vehicles, traded items for vehicles, but it's just kind of like Pokemon. I just gotta have them all.
How many cars have you had and what made you choose them?
I've had so many of them that I just like driving each individual car, and not only for their looks, but for performance, or if it's not for the performance, for the comfortability, or anything really. Pretty much, if it has wheels, most of the time I like them in their own different type of way.
Would you say that this car is your favorite?
Out of all, by far, this one is the one that I'm most excited for. I can't wait to get it on the road. Once I finally get it to where I want, once I get it driving, and then once I get it to where I want it to be aesthetically, then the crazy fun is gonna begin.
Is there anything that you would like to say to the audience?
Anything I want to say? Welcome to Fastlane Garage.
Alright guys, so I know this is a little bit different of a video. I hope you guys like it, but I think I'm going to be doing a few more of these like this. I kind of like it. Anyways, thanks for coming to Fastlane Garage. I appreciate you guys showing up every 2 weeks. I'll see you in the next one.